Uh-oh, the dinosaur letters got all mixed up. Let's find H. Big letter H. Where is little h? Maybe this one? No. Oh, little h. Big H. Little h. Red triceratops. Red bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. What comes after H? Yes, I. Big letter I. Where is little I? There it is. Big I, little I. Blue stegosaurus. Blue bowl. Now we have even more blue dinosaurs. What comes after I? Yes, J. Big letter J. Where could little j be? Oh, there it is. Big J, little j. Red brontosaurus. Red bowl. The bowls are getting full. What comes after J? Yes, K. Big K, little k. Green triceratops. Green bowl. Now we have another green dinosaur. What comes after K? L. Big letter L. Where is little l? There it is. Big L, little l. Yellow stegosaurus. Yellow bowl. Wow, look at all the dinosaurs. What comes after L? Yes, M. Big M, little m. Great matching. Blue dinosaur. Blue bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. We match all the uppercase and lowercase letters. That was fun. Let's do it again.